So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what market is actually going to be giving us for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's see what Swiss franc JPY is actually going to be doing for us for the week. So starting with the trend, remember guys, before you take a trade, you need to know the trend, right? You need to know what your trend is. So take a look at this movement, right? To know your overall trend, you need to see what is this trend right here. That is because we would want to predict what market will be doing for us for the week. We need to know the overall trend. Remember, guys, literally told you guys that markets will give us a bullish move for the week. And market did give us a bullish move. Exactly what I predicted it to do. That is exactly what market did. So you can see that our analysis was absolutely correct. What I told you guys will happen is what market literally did. Right? Market did give us a bullish move. So our analysis and our prediction was absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are not yet a subscriber, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments. And guys, also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, starting with the trend, you can clearly see on our Swiss franc JPY. This is an impulsive move, which is your eye. When you go down to your daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, you see it as your eye. Then this is the pullback, which is your yellow, which is the corrective phase. This is also the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase, right? Market was able to give another impulsive move. This is the corrective phase, which is your higher low. Market then was able to give us another impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase, which is your higher low. Market then did push up again to form another impulsive move. This is the corrective phase, which is your higher low, right? Market then push up again to form another impulsive move. This is the pullback phase, which is your higher low, right? With such a movement, we will be expecting market to push up again to form a new high, thereby taking out this high. So whatever you would want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you would want to be aiming to the upside. That means you want to be going bullish. Bullish is what we should be expecting for this week. So we will expect that bullish move to continue to establish our trend resistance zone. So we will be expecting market to continue that movement. It is going to hit this our resistance zone. So if you are not yet in the buy, guys, look to go in for the buy as we will be anticipating for more movement to your side. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here. Markets once came to the target support level, which rejected and came out to tap our resistance, right? Market then was able to reject from the resistance and try to tap our support. Right now, from this support level, it is rejecting, and we would expect that rejection to continue. It is able to hit this our resistance zone. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting on your Swiss franc JPY. We should expect Swiss franc JPY to give us that bullish move. It is able to tap our resistance. Now, could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Yes, remember, the market is always flexible, right? So if in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, it is very simple, guys. I will do the updates. I'll make sure I do the updates and upload to upload. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, it is very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now back to our analysis, down to our 4-hour time frame right here. So market has given us a multiple rejection zone right here. The market has given us a multiple rejection zone right here. You can see market has given us a multiple rejection zone right here. So now with this movement, right, which market has pushed up to tap, you can expect market to go back down and eventually push up again. So above all, a movement to your side is what you should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram to stay updated. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.